Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Hold your breath for 10 to 20 seconds to increase carbon dioxide, which may reset your diaphragm. Try swallowing a teaspoon of sugar to stimulate the vagus nerve. Sipping cold water slowly or gently pulling your tongue can also interrupt hiccups. These simple, natural tricks often stop stubborn hiccups fast without any medicine.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.